Good morning, students. Let us start grade 9th, chapter 4, algebraic identities. Students, our today's topic is identities, but identities of squares only. Here we are. Number 1, a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Number 2, a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Number 3, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Number 4, a plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So students, this is all about your identities or formulas of square in case of square. Now we solve some question based on these 4 identities. Our first question is evaluate by using identities. Number 1, 399 square. Let me make you very clear. Some students, in case of their hurry, they not read the question properly and they try to write the answer of this question by the multiplication and write the answer. But students, be careful. If someone is writing evaluate or simplify by using identities, then we are bound to use our formula only. So this we can write as 400 minus 1 whole square. So we try to make this in form of identity. That is, if I take 400 as a and 1 as b, so it comes out a minus b whole square, and which is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here value of a is equals to 400 and value of b is equals to 1. So let us substitute our values. That means 399 whole square, which is equals to 400 minus 1 ka whole square. So which further equals to what? A square, that is 400 square, plus b square means 1 square, minus 2, a value is 400 and b value is 1, which is equals to, see how we multiply direct. 4 square is 16, and here students 2 zeros, 2 zero square is 4 zeros, plus 1 square is 1, then minus 4 2s are 8 with 2 zeros means 800. So let us solve this. How we can solve this? Here students, I am solving, so it further equals to 160001 and minus 800. So let me subtract 1 6 1 2 3 1, then 800 be subtract. See, 1 minus 0 1, then 0 minus 0, we are not taking any carry. Here there is need of carry, so 10 minus 8 guys 2, and 9, here is 9, already we taken carry, so 5 is left. So this, so be careful whenever you go for your addition, your subtraction, your multiplication or division. So we are left with this number. This is our required answer, 159201. This is what? This is square of 399. Our second question is 322 into 322 minus 2 into 322 into 22 plus 22 into 22. So very first we have to identify which type of formula we have to use in this question. See, if this is a, so this is also a into a is a square, then minus 2, this is what a, and if last number I am gives b, so this is 2ab, then plus a, this is b, already I given this b, so b into b is b square, and we know that a square plus b square minus 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2ab is equals to a minus b whole square, which is equals to students a minus b whole square. What is the value of a? That we very well know. The value of a is 322. And what about b? B value is 22 whole square, which is equals to 322 minus 22. We are left with 300 and square is as such. So 300 square. So easily we can write this. 3 square is 9. This is 2 zeros. So 2 zero square is 4 zeros. So this is what? This is our required answer. Students, our third part, by using the identity, how we evaluate this? See, this we learned the formulas in AB in the alphabets of AB, and the question is also in the form of ABC. So whenever the question is also in the same case, so you can change your alphabets like x plus y whole square, x minus y whole square, then x square minus y square. That is your choice. So if I consider this A, this B, this C, so it comes out A plus B plus C whole square is equals to what? See, A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square is equals to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. So what is important, students? The thing is important that we all have to learn all the formulas. If we know the formulas, then after the identification we can easily apply our formulas. So what is the value of A? A is equals to A upon BC, comma, the value of B is equals to B upon AC, and the last value of C is equals to C upon AB. So let us substitute, which further equals to A square, A upon BC whole square, B square, B upon AC whole square, C square, C upon AB whole square plus 2AB, 2, what is A value? A value is A upon BC. What is B value? B value is B upon AC. Keep in the bracket. Plus 2 into 2AB, then 2BC. B value is B upon AC. And C value is what? C upon AB. Be careful when you write all your concern values. A little mistake make your question wrong, students. So be careful, everyone. Last one is 2CA. C value is C upon AB with the multiplication sign. Last A value is A upon BC. It also we have to keep in bracket. So let us write this. This is what? A square upon B square C square plus B square upon A square C square plus C square upon A square B square plus C. Be careful. A and A are cancelled. B and B are cancelled. So we are left with 2. C into C. Base are same. Power should be added. C square plus C. C and C guys cancel. B and B cancel. So we are left with 2 upon A into A square plus C. A and A cancel. C and C cancel. What we are left with? 2 upon B into B square. So this is what? This is our required answer. This is what? This is our required answer of this question by using the identity. So last question, students, if A plus B plus C is equals to 0 and A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 16, we have to find the value of AB plus BC plus CA. So what is important in this question? So first of all, the important thing is that we have to identify which kind of formula we have to use here. You can see that they are given us the value of A plus B plus C is equal to 0. Means they are given the question in the form of A square, B square, C square, and we know that A plus B plus C whole square. Why I am using this formula? If I am writing this formula, so by writing this formula or identity, I can use this value of A square plus B square plus C square. So the formula A plus B plus C whole square is equals to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. So see how we can use our values. See, A plus B plus C is 0. Already I am using. We can use. See, this value we also use, but this value 2AB, 2BC, 2CA we not have. So what we have to do? We have to write this in such a way or in this way. A plus B plus C whole square is equals to A square plus B square plus C square. So see, the 2 is common everywhere. So I am taking 2 common outside. So AB plus BC plus CA. So see students, now we are able to use all our values which is given to us. So substitute the value. A plus B plus C is 0 to us. So I am using this value is equals to A square plus B square plus this value. This value, students. This value is what? 16. So I am writing here 16 plus 2, and this value is not given to us. AB plus BC plus CA. This we have to find out. So students, see, 0 square is what? 0 is equals to 16 plus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. So this 16 comes to this side. It minus 16. 0 minus 16 minus 16 is equals to 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. So 2 is multiplier of this equation, this term. So 2, when 2 comes this side, so it divide 16 minus 16 upon 2 is equals to AB plus BC plus CA. So finally we get the value of AB plus BC plus CA is equals to what? Minus 8. Minus 8. So students, hope you understand all the questions which are totally based on your these 4 identities of squares. So practice all the questions at your home. First learn all the formulas, then solve all the questions again and again. So bye bye everyone. Have a nice day all of you. In next lecture we will learn identities or formulas based on cube. Till then, take care everybody.